Alrighty, you know we're out here on another one where the mobile mechanics catch us there. And one of our faithful customers. So, issue is, gonna take y'all through a diagnosis. It's really hot in here. Okay, so I don't know if y'all will be able to hear this, but we'll see if we can catch it on camera. So here is the noise that my customer is dealing with. Now I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a whining noise, like a like a. It drops off when you let off of the accelerator. So here goes. Okay, so the customer was like, this is very annoying. I don't know what the heck's going on. So I was thinking that it was the alternator, but started thinking about it again. So check this out. Turn the radio off. Now try it. Since I turn the radio back on, the noise comes back. So it's really just like the current being taken through the wires. There's nothing that he can really do about it. He already has an aftermarket radio put in there. So, I mean, that's just what it is at this point. Very easy diagnostic. Nothing that you got to really just look too deeply into. I mean, what do you want? You got an aftermarket radio. That's what you get in a sense. So, I mean, it's not always like that. Why? Probably just, thicker wires. Who knows? But, I mean, definitely not worth the money to spend on trying to figure out why it's making that noise. You're going to rewire everything. But yeah, not that big a deal. I'm going to go ahead, scan this, see what the codes are that come up, and we're going to get up out of here. Make sure that y'all get back with us. Message us for all your mobile mechanic needs. We're coming out all over the DFW, 214-791-7037.